getting this sled ready to see what it looks like and if it'll pull fine behind the ATV. Going up next week for a 2-nighter down at Rampart. Going winter camping in a heat wave down at Rampart Range with the new sled, and gonna spend the night out with Danny, my nephew. So I was kind of concerned how the sled would track in this really rutted, icy stuff. It doesn't seem to be doing too bad. I don't know. That's pretty soft up there. You want me to hook onto you?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I think he's going to have to dig a trail out behind that tire.
Nah, Frank, if you tied to him, you guys can get him out.
All right. Oh, look at that.
Look at the trench I cut.
Man, yeah.
You know what I mean?
It just sucks you in, doesn't it?
Well, I just look away for 1 second.
Oh, yeah. Well, there you go.
Looking back. What's that thing? That was a gnarly thing we just climbed.
Soft as snow.
This thing is pretty awesome. Oh, the selfie stick.
What do you mean? Roughing it up here at Rampart. Roughing it at Rampart with the Chinese stove. Oh, what's it called? Don't gonna die tonight. Maybe.